In front of me is Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So firstly you have to open the settings, then find and select accessibility features, and now go to the accessibility. Now click on screen reader, and if you'd like to activate it, just tap here. Now confirm that you are given all the needed permissions to your screen reader by tapping on OK. And here you've got this small tutorial, you can go through it by tapping on next, or you can quit it by tapping on exit. Just mark it once and then double tap to select. But all you need to know, I will just volume it up a bit, is written here, so I will just mark it and you will be informed, so just listen to it.
When screen reader on your device provides spoken feedback to help blind or partially sighted people interact with their devices without looking at the screen. To navigate using screen reader, swipe left or right to move between items. Double touch to activate an item. Drag with 2 fingers to scroll. To disable screen reader, touch the toggle until a green outline appears around it. Then double touch the toggle. On the confirmation message, touch confirm. Then double touch confirm.
So this is how it works. Basically all you have to do is to mark some particular icon once, then listen what it is, and then double tap to select it. Then double tap to mark it, and whenever you'd like to turn Talkback off, your screen reader off, just tap on screen reader, double tap, click here once, and then double tap to switch it off. Tap on OK to turn it off, and now it has been deactivated. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.